Very good morning to everyone. Ask everybody to join the class quick. Guys, have you everybody have joined the session? Okay. So we will start within 2 minutes. I'll be there. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay, guys. So first of all, let me know, have you completed your lab manuals? EC2, have you completed your lab manuals? Everyone? Okay. I will check your lab manual in today's lab. Until what you're going to do today, as we have discussed switch cases in the last session, I think in your last session we had also discussed the switch cases in shell script. Have you done that? Okay. So we are going to perform today two of the scripts that are based on the switch case, one of them, and second one you will use any of the loop in that. That two shell scripts we are having in our GTU examining GTU syllabus list of experiments we had given. Your voice is cracking. Okay. Am I audible clearly now? No? Okay, give me a minute. Am I audible now? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I was saying, today we are going to do two of the shell scripts. To both of them, in both of them, two of the shell, one of the shell scripts is based on the switch case. Switch case concept we will use in that, and second you will use any of the loop because you are already aware of loop as well. So first of all, let me show the shell scripts to you that today you will perform. And these are the two shell scripts given in the list of experiments in your GTU list which is given to us. So we have to complete these two shell scripts today. I think it is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So first shell script is write a menu driven shell script. As it is written menu driven, it means we have to use the switch cases here. As in the last of the lab in which we have discussed switch cases, you have shown the menu of the food items to the customers. In the given menu you have displayed to the customer, they have opted one of the food item the quantity of food item they want, and accordingly you will display the bill for their orders, right? The same way, there is a menu given. This menu should be given to the customer, means you have to show this menu to customer first of all, and accordingly whatever the choice the customer will opt, you have to display the menu as per the customer will choose. For example, there are six points are given, 5 points are given. First of all, display the calendar of current month. Then in that you will display the calendar. After that, today's date and time. Then username who is currently logged in. Then your name who had logged in the system. Then terminal number of the system. And for this, if you remember, we had already used the Linux commands in second of the practical. We have done Linux commands for all these tasks. So these are the given tasks you need to perform in the switch case. This is the seventh shell script. Then moving further, eighth one, that is you have to check a given shell script is you have to check a given string is palindrome or not. So do you know what is palindrome? If I'll say a given number or a given string is palindrome, what does it mean? Anyone? Anybody who knows what is palindrome? Nobody knows? Guys, I'm asking from you. Anybody? Okay. ACA type problem. See, this palindrome means the reverse of that string is also the string we have entered. For example, I entered a number 1 to 1. Yes, correct, Kevin. I entered a string ABA. अगर मैं उसे उल्टा सीधा करके देखूँ तो वो सेम दिखेगा मुझको, and it will give you the same string. That is known as palindrome string. Fine. So you have to do this eighth practical to check entered string is palindrome or not. We will come to their logic after that. First of all, you will start doing seventh script. Then you will try eighth one. If you will get anything to ask in eighth of the shell script, you can ask. First of all, start doing the seventh script. Simultaneously, I am checking your files. सेवेंथ में किसी को डाउट तो नहीं है? Okay. Start doing the seventh shell script and let me know over here in the comment section. to batch B, right? Okay. Let me check your files. I wish.
Yes, ma'am.
I wish your file is not completed.
ओके मैम लगता है
Yes,
भूल गई
Alvish.
नीचे कोड लिखो
Are you there in the
यस
class?
मैम यस मैम
Alvish, are you there in the class?
यस मैम यस मैम
Alvish, your file. You have not completed your lab manual till why?
मैम आई फॉरगेट
Beta, how does you forward? I had given you the
मैम
time, na?
to
To all of you.
complete this description is pending
Have you not received any message from your class?
yes ma'am I complete all
But I have
practicals
mentioned
but
over there
this
you have to
session is pending
upload your file by tomorrow. Tomorrow was the last day. How could you forward?
ma'am this one is a lab manual one
Your voice
open lab
is breaking,
manual
Alvish.
to
What happened? Lab manual two. Which one? There is only one lab manual. It's practical one, practical two. This case study. इसके अलावा तो कुछ है ही नहीं इसमें. नहीं, you can present. I know that, but where is your file? How would I get to know that your file is completed? This is where you have to submit now. Where is your file? Where it is, Riche? You will upload it again right now. I'm giving you 2 minutes or more. Do it. And also convert it into PDF format and then upload. Okay, Agni. Bhavin, Bhavin, this is your formatting. Can you able to see the screen? What is this? Huh? Bhavin, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? क्या किया है ये?
Your voice is not clear, ma'am.
I'm saying, what you have done here? What about the formatting?
मैम वो प्रीवियस वाली फाइल में अपडेट कर दिया।
Check your formatting, make it correct, and then re-upload your file.
ओके मैम।
Do it by end of today. Yes, Darshan, which one is your file? This one? I don't think so कि ये मैंने तुम लोगों को शेयर किया है फॉर्मेट. Darshan, what about your file?
हाँ मैम करता हूँ वो शायद
अभी तक
एक
तो तुमने
अलग जगह पे
ये
हो गई है
इंस्ट्रक्शंस
शायद।
तक रिमूव नहीं किए. अभी तक क्यों नहीं किए तुमने?
किया है मैम पर वो शायद किसी और जगह पे शेयर हो गई है, मैं सही जगह पे कर रहा हूँ।
ऐसे कैसे किसी और जगह पर सेव हो सकती है? ध्यान कहाँ है तुम्हारा? दो तो प्रैक्टिकल्स किए हैं तुमने अब तक.
सारे किए हैं मैम मैंने अब तक सारी
कहाँ
लैब
है?
की है।
हाउ वुड आई बिलीव कि सारे किए हैं?
हाँ हाँ मैम देता हूँ।
See guys, I instruct you again. Last in the last session, I think in the last lab, I already told you. If you guys will not going to submit your work on time, I will not considering your term work. All the practicals you have not submitted. दूसरी भी खोल लेते हैं जी लोग. दूसरे में भी सेम ही है. See? Now I opened the second one, Gaurav. What is difference? एक ही फाइल को दो बार अपलोड कर रखा है. ये कौन है? महान हस्ती देवन. आर यू देयर? जो भी स्टूडेंट्स एब्सेंट है ना उनको ये मैसेज पास ऑन कर देना मेरी तरफ से Please pass this message and convey this message to everyone in your group. Today is the last day to upload your correct file in your folders. Otherwise, I will not consider till practical number 6 in your term work if you are not submitting by today only. I will give 0 marks for first 6 practicals. Now this is your choice. You want to do the things or not? कर क्या रहे हो तुम लोग? कितनी बार बोला जाएगा तुम लोगों को? तुम लोगों को सॉफ्ट कॉपी बनाने में इतनी दिक्कत हो रही है तो बोल दो मुझे. आई विल गिव द हैंड रिटन पार्ट. यानी पहली बात, ये जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी हैं ये आपके लिए दी हैं, इसे रिमूव कर देना होता है पढ़ने के बाद.
ओके मैम.
जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी हैं क्या आप उसे फॉलो कर रहे हो?
यस मैम.
इट इज इटैलिक.
यस मैम.
I think 5 of the experiment you have completed, Fanny.
यस मैम.
Which what about the sixth one? And you can see there is a spelling mistake, and Google is helping you to correct it. Still, you are not correcting it.
यस मैम.
तो suggestions मिल रहे हैं तब इनसे correct नहीं हो रहा है. Do the modifications, add the last practical, and convert your file into PDF format and then upload.
यस मैम.
Ma'am, page number last.
This one,
Yes, ma'am.
in this, there is no formatting. You are not following the format. Here is your header. Mistakes. Size 14. कहीं size 12. But I have instructed. Instructions तो remove नहीं की. इसे पढ़ भी लो ना जरा. I think you have completed 6 of the practicals, right? But formatting is not following you. Make the required changes in your file. Follow the format I have shared. There is no header and footer is available in your file. Change it, convert it, the file into PDF format and upload it. Is it clear, Gaurav? Alvish,
मैम
give me a minute.
मैम I wrote in chat window.
Yeah, yeah. Herschel has edited this file 8 minutes back. Same, Herschel. What about your file? पहली बात तो कोई भी फॉर्मेटिंग, एक बात बताओ, इंस्ट्रक्शंस किस लिए होती है? ताकि वो फाइल में रहे। सबको ये भी नहीं पता है। What you guys are doing? Not at least taking the suggestion given by the word, right? वर्ड वाले माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वाले सजेशंस दे रहे हैं, करेक्शंस करेक्ट करने को दे रहे हैं, वो भी इनसे करेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है। देखो सबको मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ, टुडे इज योर लास्ट डे, मेक योर फाइल्स करेक्ट, अदरवाइज आई विल नॉट कंसीडर योर फाइल्स। और ये महानुभाव 2 ही प्रैक्टिकल्स किए हैं, 2 महीने हो गए इनको लैब लगाते हुए। इसका मतलब तो क्लास में भी कुछ नहीं करते हो फिर। Harshil is there in the class? Mali, please remove these instructions. And your enrollment number is going in the next line. Remove the space between these 2 lines so that it cannot go to the next line. Himali, other than that, your file is correct. Do the necessary changes.
Yes, ma'am.
Kevin, वे 2-4 फाइल्स अपलोड कर दी हैं, कौन सी चेक करनी है ये बता दो मुझको।
मैम फर्स्ट
फर्स्ट वन जो अननेसेसरी है वो डिलीट कर दो अपने फोल्डर से। केविन किसकी फाइल है?
मेरी
आई एम नॉट गेटिंग यू। केविन किससे ली है फाइल? From where you get this file, Kevin? दूसरी होगी, अच्छा अब दूसरी होगी। नकल करने के लिए अकल तो लगा लो। क्या करूँ, तुम्हें 0 दूं या हेमांग को या दोनों को? यहाँ पर अपना नाम ऐड करने से क्या हो जाएगा केविन? पता चल ही रहा है हेमांग की फाइल ली है तुमने। You will upload it again. What do you mean upload it again? You have not uploaded your work. मजाक चल रहा है? दोबारा से अपलोड कर दूंगा। आई नो, अभी तो ये नाम रिमूव कर दोगे, लो अपलोड हो गई दोबारा। खुद से क्या कर रहे हो? और ये बात मैं सबको बोल दूं तुम लोगों को, केविन तो बाई चांस पकड़ा गया। इफ आई विल सी, have you copied any of the file or any of the code from other person? Because by checking your output I can get to know what you are doing. If you have copied the codes and the files from other person, I will mark 0 for both of them. मुझे नहीं पता किसने कॉपी किया और किसने कॉपी करवाया है। I will mark 0 for both of the persons. Make it clear. I will not ask from you that have you copied. और ज्यादा ओवर स्मार्ट मत बनो मेरे साथ। केविन अपना काम खुद से कंप्लीट करके अपलोड करो आज के दिन में। जो अननेसेसरी फाइल्स है उन्हें डिलीट करो यहाँ से और एक पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में ही अपलोड करना। यस कयूर, ये क्या तुम्हारे टेबल को क्या हुआ? ये इधर क्यों जा रहा है लेफ्ट की साइड? राइट साइड में इतना मार्जिन, लेफ्ट साइड में मार्जिन ही नहीं है। और ये इंडेक्स फर्स्ट पेज पे कैसे आ गया है? फाइल तो कंप्लीट ही नहीं है। क्या किया क्या तुमने? हाँ कयूर, कयूर व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग, आर यू देयर इन द क्लास? देखो जो लोग क्लास में नहीं है, देखो लास्ट मेड ऑन 7th of February. It is around 1.5 month he had opened this file. उनको प्लीज कन्वे कर देना ये मैसेज कि आज के दिन में उनकी फाइल्स नहीं अपलोड हुई तो मैं 0 दे दूंगी। मिताली, this should be on next page. Dale, corrections are given. Please make the necessary corrections in your file. Also convert your file into PDF format and then upload.
Okay, ma'am.
See, there are some corrections that are given. Make these words correct. मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि तुम में से कुछ लोग तो ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने अपना फोल्डर तक क्रिएट नहीं किया अभी तक। Am I right? राजना, सोनी, दिया, संजय, यश। Jay Parmar, where is your folder?
Ma'am, I have created,
Yes, Jay.
but ma'am, it's some other folder. In
Jay,
classroom.
please speak loudly. I cannot able to get your voice. Where
Ma'am,
is your folder?
I have created folder, but in classroom,
क्लासरूम में किसने फोल्डर क्रिएट करने को बोला है? क्लासरूम में कौन सा फोल्डर
ma'am,
क्रिएट
I
किया है?
didn't know that.
हाँ?
Ma'am, I created in
Google.
classroom B batch folder, not
Okay,
in,
let me check the Google Classroom as well. I will open within 1 minute.
yes.
तुम लोगों को मैं सिर्फ इतना बोले जा रही हूँ तब से कि फाइल्स कंप्लीट कर ली. You said yes. Yes. This is what you have done. EC2B batch. Okay. Yes, Jay, where is your folder? From where I get your folder? Can you show your screen to me? Because I'm not able to getting any folder in this. Okay, Google Classroom. Copy that folder, Jay, and paste over here. अरे ये फोल्डर में दिखाओ तो सही मुझे क्या क्या है. और you are copying that folder over here.
Ma'am, I am copying.
करो कॉपी वहां से इधर. भी कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं तुम्हारी क्लास में जिन्होंने फोल्डर्स तक क्रिएट नहीं किए बी बैच में. Nisargi, which one is the updated one? First and second.
Ma'am, the first has practical 1 and 2, whereas the second has 3 to 6. I forgot to merge them. I thought we have to upload it separately.
Is from 3 to make sure that every new practical starts from a new page. If you want to upload, if anybody wants to upload the practicals individually or in a group like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, make sure that you will do the formatting of your files accordingly. Remove the other rows or columns from the table. Whatever you are having in this file, just show that one. And also if you are देखो अभी ये भी देखो ये भी नहीं दिख रहा है कि ये नेक्स्ट पेज पे आ गया तो इसे ऊपर कर दे. अब हम लोग ये छोटी छोटी चीजें मतलब दिस वुड आई हैव टू मेंशन. सर ये मेक द करेक्ट चेंजेस लास्ट मिनट ऑन दिस. Make the correct changes and convert it into PDF and then upload. Yes, Raj. तो तुम्हारी फाइल्स हर लैब में चेक करनी जरूरी हो गई। I should not believe if you said yes, we have completed the file. Ash, check this page layout. Left and right margins are not proper. तुम लोग फाइल्स बनाते तुम लोगों को पता नहीं चलता है क्या देखकर? I think you have completed your shell scripts. See, I think the formatting has been changed over here, right? Make the necessary changes, Raj, and also convert it into PDF format and then upload. तुम्हारे टेबल जितने लेफ्ट में क्या हुए सबके? मार्जिन तो चेक कर लो एक बार टेबल्स का। Raj, roll number 96. Check the margin of the table, make it correct, and then re-upload your file. Ria, 12326. Simultaneously, shell number script number 7 किस किसने कर लिया है? मैं बताऊँ यहाँ पर मुझको। If you want to upload the scripts individually, like 1, 2, you want to upload individually, then please remove this uh, extra rows and columns from the table, right? And convert it into PDF, then upload. मैं जितने भी प्रैक्टिकल्स अपलोड करोगे PDF फॉर्मेट में अपलोड करना प्लीज। The same way, remove the first and second script from this index. देखो बीच बीच में स्पेसिंग आई हुई है, पता ही नहीं चल रहा है क्या हो रहा है। चेंज करो इस फॉर्मेट को, PDF में कन्वर्ट करो, फिर से अपलोड करो। संजय, प्रैक्टिकल 1, 2। The same instructions are for you, Sanjay. If you want to upload the file, the practicals individually, then please do the modification accordingly in your index. Convert the word into a file. into PDF files. The formatting will be remain as it is you have done. यश आपने भी अलग से अपलोड किया हुआ है सब?
Yes, ma'am. 326.
Then 326. Then do the necessary changes in index.
Okay, ma'am.
See, some of your code is in Times New Roman, some of your lines are in Calibri. I already instructed you to write everything in Calibri. Change the font. Okay, so I have given some modifications and suggestion to everyone. Make the necessary changes in your files by end of today. Complete your files and re-upload your files in your folders in PDF format only. If anybody is having any doubt in the suggestion and modification I suggested, please ask me right now. Whosoever is done with script number 7, show me their screens one by one. Yes, Ria, show me your screen. After Ria, Nisargi, you will show me your screen. Okay, Nisargi, until you will present your screen.
Ma'am, can I share my screen now?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, this is practical 7 and
Yes. Run this code.
yours is the output.
Okay.
Practical 8 and 5.
Okay. Done. 7 and 8 both done, na? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Avni, present your screen.
Yes,
Say your
ma'am.
assignment number. Okay. Seventh you have done. Okay. And eighth you also done. Okay. Ria and Avni, your enrollment number?
Ma'am, I am 101.
Avni 101. Ria is 85. Yes, Mr. Mr. B. Miss, for presenting. No? Yeah. Yes, Avni, show me the second code. Mr. E, your enrollment number? Come on. Okay. We're going to present next. Raj. Nadia. Present your screen.
It's visible, ma'am. Hello. It is visible, ma'am.
You start your code.
Seven.
Run this code. Your enrollment number, Raj.
68.
Okay. Natalie, present your screen.
Ma'am, can I, sir?
Yes, Sanjay.
Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, Sanjay, it is visible. Show me your code, Sanjay. Okay. This is for parent from and menu. Okay. Sanjay, your number?
Ma'am, 091.
09.
1.
Yes, next, who will going to present?
Present.
Yes, Mitali.
This is practical 7.
Okay.
And it's 8.
Run this code, Mitali.
Practical 7.
Okay, Mitali. Your enrollment number?
56.
We'll go into present next.
Screen visible?
Yes, yes, Raj. Raj, you have completed seventh one. Eighth one is pending.
No, ma'am. I'll complete.
Okay. Your enrollment number?
96096.
Okay. Is going to present next. Yes, Sanjay, you have to change the formatting of the file. If you want to upload the practicals individually, like first two separately and 3 to 6 separately, and accordingly make the changes in the index.
Ma'am, screen is visible.
Yes, Alish.
Ma'am, this one is 8 and
Okay.
this one is output
Okay.
and this one is 7
Okay.
and this one is output.
Okay. Alish, your number?
Ma'am, 082.
Yes, Harshil. Harshil, I have seen the folder of your in Google Drive. You have not completed your file. What is the problem?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have lost some of my screenshots, so I will upload it today only.
What you have done? Are you saying?
What?
Can you please repeat?
Sorry, ma'am, I can get
What are
you.
you, Harshil, what are you saying? Why are you not completing your file?
No, ma'am, I am telling you that I have lost some of my screenshot of the program, so I will upload it today only.
Okay, do it today, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is your seventh practical. Run it. Eighth one. Enter the swing. Okay, Harshil, your number?
089.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Jay.
Screen is visible. Ma'am, this is practical 8.
Yes, Jay. Seventh practical.
Yes, ma'am. This is 7th.
Okay. Jay, have you copy your folder over there in Google Drive?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll check. Your enrollment number, Jay?
73.
73.
3.
Next, who will going to present? Yes, Pen. Where's the eighth one, Penny? Okay. Penny, your enrollment number?
072, ma'am.
Yes, Kenny. Execute the code, Kevin. Okay, Kevin. Enrollment number, Kevin.
118.
Okay. Yes, others are still doing. Whosoever is completed and shown the practicals, they can leave. Also, they will complete their lab manual by today and upload in the Google Drive PDF format only.
Hello, ma'am. Visible.
Darshan, I cannot able to see your screen. You should.
Wait, ma'am. Network issue.
I have done this practical, but now my computer is not connected. Himari, do one thing. You will take the screenshot or you will send your code with output to me via email.
Now it is visible.
But still, I cannot able to see. Now it is visible.
Uh, this is practicals, ma'am.
Okay.
This
And the
okay.
last one is
And
run this code.
here, ma'am, it is already.
Darshan, execute this code. Raj, I will see it by today evening. Let's everybody upload their files. I will see everybody's file at the same time. Okay, Darshil, what is your enrollment number?
069.
Orange from your phone.
Ma'am, my screen is visible. Hello, ma'am. My screen is visible.
Gaurav, it is visible, but I cannot hear you. You will present your code. Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you see my code?
Yes, yes. Gaurav, your enrollment number.
100. Can I leave now, ma'am?
Yes, done with you.
Thank you.
Your enrollment number.
100, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Bhavin. Practical number 8. Bhavin, your enrollment number.
65.
Okay. Others are still doing. Mali, is it not possible on email? Yes, whosoever is remaining. Himali and Shruti. Others are done. Okay, Yash. Mali, have you shared your code with me? Shilpi, share your code first of all. Why are you writing your number here? Present your screen first, Shilpi. But now laptop is not working. How can I share, ma'am? So whenever you will share Himali, I'll give you the attendance. By end of today, you will share your code with me. Is it fine? Okay. Somali, your enrollment number? 108. Ma'am, network issue है बहुत. Then what can I do? अभी याद आया 1.5 घंटे के बाद कि नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है आपको. हाँ शिल्पी. And where is your folder in the Google Drive, Shilpi? You have not uploaded a single lab practical in your Google Drive. Yes, have you done your practicals? Do it, but I'm waiting. Once you complete it, show me your screen.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
It's visible, ma'am.
Show me the code.
Seven in out.
Show me the code, yes. Okay, 7th one. Where is 8th one?
Six.
Okay. Yes, your enrollment number?
117.